MeghalayaPost.news.
Habakaran siklat Thai kubor mentari janmin hadin gajing kendulang ka kenhun ki menteri Sorkar Jylla Ruh shillong menteri rongba Jylla Conrad Sangma ulakran syai bawat ka Sorkar Jylla Ruh ka Pyrshah jur ya gajing temu banti ya uranium napo Jylla kata gajing keren jong Conrad Sangma ka dairu hadin ba Sorkar pedeng lengba ka ministry ka tanah environment kelapa kot sya ka Sorkar Jylla mat ka belap tha ban pendu pendamno ya ka public hearing ne bat sngap ya ka sur pai ba halor gajing temu Tih Unranium ha ka Jylla mat ka balawan ra ru ya gajing Pyrshah ka bajur na barok ki kenhun halor ketika man ka Sorkar Jylla kan sapule bnia ya ketika jingtho nak Sorkar pedeng baladadon kam banyak chaneng ka bumut baka Sorkar Jylla kan selej ekren segi he ka Sorkar pedeng ki bedon hakikadan baper ong Conrad Sangma shushu Conrad Sangma ulong kum baki pai ba ka Jylla ki Pyrshah jur halor jing tumuti ya uranium ha ka Jylla kum ta kum ka Sorkar Jylla Ruh ka basngap ya ka suru paj ba kade ka kamram jong ka Sorkar bani kren ya kino ki ain ne ki jing penmi hukum ki bakata pai ba ha ka Jylla namar ka Sorkar ka kwa na banta ka bit ka biang jong ki paj ba ha ka Jylla hi bro we
See, as a government, we have made our stand very clear that our people and our community and stakeholders, we have always stated, even as a government, that we are not in favor of mining of uranium. We're very, very, very clear on that. And we've made this statement very openly, and I'm making it open now also. Number two, I've not gone through the entire details of what the notification. In general, I have, but these are very serious matters, and hence it requires proper legal scrutiny. So we are going through that, and based on what we see, we will seek clarification from Government of India, and as and when required, I will take up the matter with Government of India at different levels and ensure that the interest of our people is protected. So therefore, this is a responsibility of our government, and if we find anywhere that there is any particular law or any particular notification that goes against the interests of our people, it is a duty of the government to take up that matter with the center. And I can assure you and assure the people of the state that we will be standing with the people on this issue, and we will take up the matter once we have seen the entire legal aspect of it and the impact of this. And once we are clear, we will move to Delhi, and if necessary, as I said, we'll take up the matter at the highest level.
MeghalayaPost.news.